I am so bored of this. I don't want to do anything. I am bored of playing these toys. Oh, it's too bored. Let's go to mom. Okay. Mommy, we are so bored. We want something. We are bored of playing our dolls and our crab, starfish. We are bored. Oh, you are bored? Yes, we are bored. Okay, 1 minute. Why? You will see. Ta-da! Slime! I love slime. I know that you love slime, so I bring 12 slimes. Whoa, squishy slime. Squishy slime. Let's go to our room and play with this squishy slime. Yes, Alcia. Let's go open this. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing, Anya? Sorry. Why this is pipe here, Alcia? It is for bubble. What did you say? I'm so excited. Quick. Okay, wait. Whoa, hundreds of slimes, not hundreds, 12. Yeah. It's look like hundreds of squishy slime. Squishy slime. Where's the pipe? Here it is. Which one I will choose? This orange one? Yes, I love this orange one. I want the pink one. I love pink. Where's the pink? Here it is. Whoa, oh, this is not a pink. This is a light pink. Oh, this is a pink. Where it is pink? Where is the pink? This is the pink. Light pink. Yeah. First, I want to do. Where is Tracy? Yes, Tracy. Woof. Oh, Tracy, why did you push me? Or pull me? I don't know. Oh, you don't know which is the push or pull? Yeah, I know. Just joking. Alcia, you always joke with me. Yeah. Tracy, come play with the slime. Where's the pipe? Where's the pipe? I lost it. Oh no. Later on I will find that. Oh, I find. Where? Here. Bubble gum. Don't be worried. What are you noising like this? I want to bubbles. Oh, yeah? Oh, I can't now. Okay, squishy. Oh, squishy. Alcia. Oh, it's stuck. No, it's not stuck. Squishy. I will step here. Ooh, squishy. Oh. Here is my footprints. Oh, Tracy, your footprints. Woof. Oh, Tracy. Okay. Hundreds of slime. Oh, this is not hundreds of slime. What is this, Alcia? This is a dog. Yay! I will print here. Footprint, and this is a dog print. Oh, I want to see the dog print. Dog. Oh, here is no dog print. Okay, let's play with the next slime. Yes, my slime. Squishy slime. Let's play with the pink one. This is the pink one, light pink. Yeah. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Oh, this is the orange. Oh, sorry, this is the pink. I mistaked. This is the squishy pink, my favorite pink color. Oh no, this is also light orange. Everything is light. Oh, it's so hot. Yeah. So squishy hot. Oh, not squishy hot. Squish, squish. Oh, Alcia. Hey, why did you call me Alcia? Your name is Alcia. My name is Anya. Sorry, I mistakenly told you Alcia. But I want to tell you are Alcia. No. Yes. No. Okay. No. We don't want to quarrel. Yeah. Wow. So squishy slime. Let's play with all slimes. Yes. Oh, there's some shapes. Yes. Here, 3 shapes and pipes. I want the blue one. No, I want the blue one first. No, I want the blue first one. No, I want. Okay. You take. Yay. I want the purple one. I want the purple one first. Oh, Alcia. You call me again, Alcia. My name is Anya. Sorry. I want the blue one. Give me. Okay. Let's play. It's stuck. Squishy slime. It's too fun. Yes.